Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie. Today I'll be showing you how to make a poncho. You can make a poncho dress or a top, whichever one you choose to make. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to fold your fabric. I'll be using this Ankara fabric, okay, because folding the fabric is also very important. A poncho dress is like is a loose dress and is very comfortable, okay, on the body. Now this is my fabric. This is my Ankara fabric, and you see here I have 2 yards and 9 inches, and I intentionally added 9 inches because of my desired length. Now for Ankara, you know for sure that the length on Ankara fabric is 45 inches. Okay, this is just the length that we have. This is 45 inches, and this is the usual length that comes with Ankara. Okay, so I'm going to be taking my length from this side, while my shoulder will fall on this side. I hope you understand. Now what we are going to do, I'm going to be folding into 2 this way, just like this. Fold into 2, okay, right side to right side. So this is what I have. Can you see? After folding into 2, now you are going to turn this way. Now why I'm turning this way is because this is the folded part. Can you see? This side is the folded part, this is the unfolded side. Can you see? So now because I have folded once like this, and that's why I have this, I'm going to turn this way to the folded part. Okay, so now you know that this is the length. Okay, this is the usual Ankara length. This is just 45 inches. Of course you know that. So now I'm going to be folding again. Can you see? Look at what I have. Okay, so now this part, this top part now is going to be my shoulder line. I hope you understand. This is going to be my shoulder line. Now you know I have 2 sides here. This is one, this is another one that is folded. Okay, this side is going to be my neck line. So I'm going to, you know, insert my measurement, my neckline measurement on this folded parts here, while this part, like I said, will be my shoulder, and this side from here down will be my desired length. I hope you understand. So, and this also depends on how long you want it to be, but I prefer this length. I'm actually making length of 39 inches, 39 or 39.5, and I decided to add little allowances to it. So I'm going to be showing you how to, the technique to use to achieve your neck line. Now let's go to the cutting table to continue. Okay guys, this is the folded fabric. This is my shoulder line. This is where my shoulder line is going to lie, and this side is my center front, and my back as well, center front and back. So this side is going to have my neckline measurement. Okay, so now I'm going to be measuring from the shoulder downward as the depth of 5 inches. If you are a small size, you can do like 4 inches. Then here I'm going to measure 4 inches as my width. So my width is 4, then the neck depth is 5. Okay, so as a medium size, you can do like 4 by 4 inches. Okay, and or you can do 3.5 by 4 inches or by 5 inches. It all depends on how wide you want the neck to be. So this is it. I would have loved to insert my back neck measurement, but as it is, I can't do that. So I'm just going to open my fabric this way. Okay, and I'm going to just bring it from the down and open it up from the down. up, okay, like so. Can you see? Now the idea is to be able to insert my back neck measurement. Okay, now this is the crease line. Just follow this crease line as my center back and center front. Can you see the crease? Okay, so you are going to just open it up this way, making sure that this crease line is your guide. Can you see? So this here is my shoulder line. Okay, can you see now? This I'm going to just fold over. I'm going to fold over following this crease line, which is my center back and my center front. Okay, so can you see that it's taking shape already? So I'm just trying to locate the crease line because it's going to be my guide. Okay, can you see the front neck measurement that I inserted earlier? Thank God I even used a chalk to draw the neckline curve, so it's also, you know, it will also serve as a kind of, okay, guide for me. Can you see? So now this is what I have. This is well laid. So here is my shoulder line as usual, and I'm just going to mark so that, okay, so this is my shoulder line. This part is my shoulder line. Here is my front. This part is my front, and this is my back. Okay, all right, so I'm going to measure you know, as my neck depth for the back, I'll measure 2 inches as shown, and of course my width is 4 inches, and I'm just going to draw the line, the curve line, like so. Can you see? Very easy. Okay, so this is what I have. You can also measure 6 inches if you want it to be, you know, deeper than this. Okay, so now I'm going to take my scissors and just cut as shown. Can you see? Now I have my front and my back. Yes. Okay, so look at the effect it's giving me. See my front neckline deeper, can you see, than this is my front and this is my back. Can you see? So there is a difference, but there is no how you can achieve this without having to open it the way I did. Okay, so now we are going to the, okay, can you see I opened up and look at the neck and the back neck and the front neck. Can you see? So this is nice, and I think we are good to go. So then you can use a bias tape to tape the neckline, okay, neatly, or you finish it up the way you want. Okay, so this is my bias tape. I'm just going to, okay, use it to tape it. Then this side is going to be my arm, well, my armhole, let me put it that way. So I'm just going to measure 10 or 11 inches from the shoulder line down. Okay, so I think 11 inches is fine for me, so I'll measure 11 inches. You can measure 10 inches, but 11 is not bad at all for me. Okay, and from this point I'm just going to sew down, and you can also use your bias tape if you want on this part as well. Okay, from here I'm just going to sew it down to the hem line. Very, very simple. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the other side as well, and Of course, I'm not going to sew it, I'm just going to pin, so that at least you have an idea of how it will look if it is being sewn. Okay, so I'm just going to measure 11 inches from the shoulder down, and from there I'm just going to pin, so that once I'm done pinning, then I'll put it on my mannequin for you to see. At least you have an idea of, okay, how it will look if it is being sewn. Okay, so and on this side as well, I will do the same thing. Okay, I'm just going to measure 11 inches as usual, and I'm going to just pin down. Okay, so this is very easy. So, and I also want you to, I want to encourage you to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn on your notification bell, so each time I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. And also follow me on all my social media platforms. And if you have any question, please, you are very free to drop in the comment section, and feel free to share this video. Till I see you in my next video, take care, bye.